So from the circles, we are going to get two very short answer questions, two 4 marks questions, and two 7 marks questions. Total, we are going to get 26 marks. Okay, from the circles. Okay, so here all these are very important, very short answer type questions, 2 marks questions. Okay, in this is very important question. If the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a equal to 0 has radius 4, then find a. Then find a. So here, what is given circle? Given circle equation. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a equal to 0. This is the given circle equation number 1. Okay. So now, by comparing with the general equation of the circle. Okay. So here, by comparing with general equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, when we compare with the general equation of the circle, what is 2g? Okay, so here x coefficient 2g is equal to minus 4. Okay, and y coefficient 2f is equal to 6, and constant c is equal to a. Here, if 2g is equal to minus 4, then g is equal to minus 4 by 2. That means the value of g is minus 2. And f is equal to 6 by 2. Here, f value is 2, 3 is 6, means f is equal to 3. Okay. So after getting the GFC values, what is given here? He gave that radius is equal to 4. Radius equal to 4. No need to find the center here. Okay, so center is minus g comma minus f, but here he is not asking, so no need to find. So now I am finding the radius. Okay, so what is the radius formula? Radius of the general equation. Okay, so radius r is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula for finding the radius of the circle. Okay, so now I am this radius is given as 4. It is given in the question. Radius is equal to 4. It is given in the question, so equate to 4. So now under root of g square. What is g square? That is minus 2 whole square. G square means minus 2 whole square. Okay, so here, and f square. What is f square? F square is 3 square and minus c, that is minus a. Okay, this is equal to 4. This is equal to 4. What is 2 square? 4, 3 square, 9 minus a. Okay, under root is equals to 4. Okay, if you square on both sides. Okay, so now I am going to square on both sides. Square on both the sides. Then under root of 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 minus a is equal to 4. So if we square on both sides, left side whole square and right side whole square, square root gets cancelled. So that means 13 minus a is equal to 4 square 16, and minus a equal to 16 minus 13. Okay, minus a value is plus 3 and the value of a is minus 3. Okay, so what is the final answer? Therefore, the value of a is minus 3. What formula we are using here? Okay, so once briefly we'll discuss. The first one is general equation of the circle. What is general equation of the circle? Just repeat. Okay, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Repeat once again. General equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle. Okay, and one more is radius of the circle. What is radius of the circle formula? Under root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, what is general equation of the radius of the circle? Under root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, just we are using these two concepts. Okay, so in this problem. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if we come to the next question here. Okay, if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0 has center -4 comma -3, then find g comma f and its radius. G comma f and radius. Okay, so here what is given? What is given? Okay, so first we take that. Okay, so given equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus, okay, c is not there, constant is not there, and equal to 0. Taking this as equation number 1. Okay, by comparing with the general equation. Okay, by comparing with the general equation. Okay, so what is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation. By comparing with this, here 2g means 2g only. Okay, that means g is equal to g only. 2f y coefficient also 2f only. That means f is equal to f only. No change. Only constant is 0. Constant is 0. Here, according to the formula, what is the center here? Center of the circle. Okay, center is equal to minus g comma minus f is the center according to the formula. Means for general equation, center is minus g comma minus f. Okay, so now this is given. Okay, so this is given as -4 comma -3. Okay, so when we compare, if the equate the coordinates, x coordinate equal to x coordinate, y coordinate equal to y coordinate. That means minus g is equal to -4 and minus f is equal to -3. That means g is equal to +4 and plus f is equal to +3. Okay, so now we got the gf and c values. Now he is asking the radius. Okay, so he asked the gf values. Okay, this is g value, and he asked the f values, as well as he is asking the radius of the circle. Okay, what is the formula for finding the radius of the circle? Okay, so here radius of the circle, radius r is equals to under root of radius r is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c is the formula for finding the radius of the circle. Okay, so now radius is equals to under root of g square, that is 4 square, plus f square, that is 3 square, minus c minus 0. Okay, this is equals to under root of 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. So this is equals to root 25. Root 25 value is 5. Okay, so here what formula we used here? What formula we used in this problem? Okay, so here we used the general equation. What is general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And we use the center of the circle formula. What is the center of the circle formula? Minus g comma minus f. What is radius of the circle formula? R is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Always we use these formula frequently again and again. Okay, and okay, so in the circles and system of circles. Okay, for each and every problem, most of the questions based on this, okay, concepts only. General equation, center, radius. Okay, so we'll find for maximum of the questions. Okay. Now, okay, so if we go to the next question here, okay, so find the value of a if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 represents a circle, and also find its radius, Okay, this is the question here. What is given? First we write the given equation. Okay, first we write the given equation. Okay, so given equation is 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the given equation. This is the given equation. given that this is representing a circle, this is representing a circle. If the above equation represents a circle, we have the formula concept coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square must be equal. Okay, if equation 1 represents a circle, okay, so then formula coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. This is the formula here. Okay, so that means x square coefficient 2 is equal to a. That means the value of a is equal to 2. Okay, so after getting the a value, he asked the a value, we got the a value. After getting the a value, substitute this a is equals to 2 in equation 1. Okay, now substituting a is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Okay, if you substitute in equation 1, then 2x square plus ay square means 2y square and minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now, okay, so we have to compare with the general equation, but general equation always, okay, in the, okay, so coefficients for general equation, coefficients always x square and y square means coefficients are equal to 1. So for that, so dividing by 2 on both sides. Now I am dividing by 2 on both sides. Dividing by 2 on both sides. Okay, if we divide by 2, then 2x square by 2 and 2y square divided by 2 minus 3x divided by 2 plus 2y by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Okay, I am writing little bit step by step clearly, or otherwise directly you can write this step. Okay, 2 to cancel, x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x and 2 to cancel here y and minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, after this we have to compare with the general equation. Now I am comparing with the general equation. Okay, so by comparing with okay, by comparing with what? General equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, if we compare with the general equation, okay, so here what is 2g? Okay, write that value. Okay, so here 2g x coefficient is minus 3 by 2. What is 2f y coefficient? Y coefficient is 1. What is constant c? That is minus 1 by 2. Here g is equal to minus 3 by 2 as it is. Here into 2, if you take it to that side, divide by 2. Okay, or into 1 by 2. Means g value is minus 3 divided by 4. And f is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay, after getting GFC values, okay, is he asking the center? Okay, no. If he asks for center, so we find the center. Represents a circle, also find its radius. He is asking the radius. Okay, so now what is the formula for finding the radius? Radius r is equals to, always for general equation of the circle, radius of the circle is g square plus f square minus c is the formula for finding the radius of the circle. Now, okay, substitute the values under root of g square. That means minus 3 by 4 whole square plus f square, that is 1 by 2 whole square minus c minus of minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is equals to under root of 3 square is 9 divided by 4 square 16 minus whole square means it becomes plus, and 1 by 2 whole square, 1 divided by 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus and 1 by 2. Okay, take LCM. LCM is 16. Okay, 9 as it is, and 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4. Okay, 2 8 is 16, 8 into 1 is 8. Okay, so the total here 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8, 13 plus 8. How much we get? 13 plus 8 is 21 divided by 16. 16 we can write as 4 square. Okay, that means root 21 divided by 4. This is the required radius of the circle. Required radius of the circle. Okay, so here in this problem, what we use? In this problem, what we use? Okay, so here we used the formula coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. If any equation represents a circle, compulsory, okay, coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square must be equal. Okay, we used this formula and we also used the general equation here. What is general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. After that we used the radius. Okay, radius. Okay, what is the radius of the circle formula? Radius of the circle is, okay, under root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, is the radius of the circle. Understood? Now we'll go to the next question here. Okay, so find the parametric equation of the circle. Find the parametric equations of the circle. Okay, so here, what is given equation? Given circle equation. So I am taking given circle equation as okay. So x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the given circle equation. Given circle equation. Always, okay. Already I told you, general equation we use again and again. Again and again. What is general equation of the circle? Anybody? By comparing with. Anybody? Tell me fast. General equation of the circle. X square plus y square. Tell me fast.
Plus 2y.
Okay, so read with me once. What is the formula?
X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0.
Very good. All of you read.
X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0.
Okay, so good. Others also read the formula once. Okay, this is very important. Repeatedly we use the formula. Okay, again and again, continuously use. Okay, that's why. Okay, so here when we compare with the general equation, here what is 2g? 2g is x coefficient minus 6. Okay, what is 2f? Y coefficient is equal to 4. Okay, what is constant is equal to minus 12. Okay, here g value is equal to minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, that means g is equal to minus 3. F is equal to 4 divided by 2. The value of f is 2. Value of f is 2. Okay, after getting GFC values, what he is asking? He is asking the parametric equations of the circle. Parametric equations of the circle. What is the formula for parametric equations? Anybody? Okay, so look at the formula and tell me. Okay, parametric equations of the circle. We want the radius also, right? Okay, if you find the center and radius, center not compulsory. If you find that's good. Okay, so center is equals to minus g comma minus f. Okay, that means we get minus g means minus of minus 3. Okay, and minus 2. That means we get plus 3 comma minus 2. Minus g minus f values. And radius. What is the radius of the circle? Radius formula. Anybody? R is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so this is equal to
g square plus f square minus c.
Very good. Okay, so g square is minus 3 whole square. Okay, f square means 2 square minus c minus of minus 12. Okay, this is equal to 3 square 9, 2 square 4 minus plus 12 plus 12. Okay, 12 plus 4 16 plus 9 25. Okay, root 25 means it is 5. Root 25 means 5. Okay, what is parametric equations? Anybody? Parametric equations of the circle. Parametric equations of circle. Anybody? X is equal to minus g plus r cos theta. Okay, and y is equals to minus f plus r sin theta. Minus f plus r sin theta. Okay, now I am substituting here. X is equal to minus g. Okay, already we did here. Okay, minus g is plus 3 and r 5 and cos theta only. Okay, and y is equals to minus f means minus 2. Okay, plus r is 5 and sin theta. Okay, so this is these are the parametric equations of the circle. Okay, what is the final answer here? X is equals to 3 plus 5 cos theta. Y is equals to 5 minus 2 plus 5 sin theta. Okay, so these are the formula here. Okay, so for the parametric equation. Okay, so now we have one more question here. Okay, so obtain the parametric equations of the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to 8 square. Okay, what is given here? Given equation, circle equation is, okay, given circle equation. Okay, so x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 square. Here, if we expand again, we get the general equation form. Okay, like previous solution. Okay, we get the general equation form, but that is a little bit lengthy way. Okay, if we have another form, another circle equation also there. Okay, so we directly compare with that equation. Okay, so by comparing with, okay, what equation we are comparing? We are comparing with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Equation of the circle with center h and k, radius r. Okay, if we compare with this, what is h value? Direct we are getting h value 3 and k value minus k means minus 4 plus k means plus 4. Plus k value is plus 4 and radius r is equals to 8. Radius r is equal to 8. It is very simple. Okay, direct we are going to use the parametric equations now. Parametric equations. Okay, so here h comma k only center. Parametric equations of circle. Okay, same like previous only. X is equal to, okay, instead of minus g we write h plus r cos theta and y is equals to k plus r sin theta. Okay, instead of minus f we write k. Okay, there minus g minus f center, here okay h and k are center. Okay, so now I am substituting the values. Okay, this is equals to h value is 3 plus r is 8 and cos theta. Okay, and y is equals to k is 4 and plus r is 8 and sin theta. Okay, okay, this is only the required solution. This is only the required solution for, okay, parametric equation. Okay, anybody have the doubts? Do you have any doubts till here?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so this is a parametric equations. Just repeat once parametric equation. Okay, so x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equals to k plus r sin theta. H plus r cos theta, y is equals to k plus r sin theta. Okay, what is the circle equation we are using here? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Okay, so repeat with me once. Circle equation. All of you repeat.
X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2x square plus 3 is equal to 0.
No. This circle equation. This equation I am asking. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square.
X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r.
Yes. Okay. What is the parametric equations? What are the parametric equations?
X is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta.
Okay. So, yes. Okay. So, do you have any doubts still here?